Let's say we decided that this last commit over here is useless and we want to undo it. Here we have two options. If we have pushed this commit to a remote repository, chances are other people have based their work on top of this commit. So we shouldn't remove this commit. Here we should use the revert command, and this will create a new commit that will undo all the changes in this commit. So we type git revert head. We'll talk about this in more detail in the next lesson. But let's say we haven't pushed this commit, so it only exists in our local repository. Here we can use the reset command to remove this commit from the history. Now, I know that we have talked about this before, but let's revisit it one more time because I want to make sure you really understand how it works. So we type git reset --hard. I'm going to talk about this option in a second. And then we type the target position for our head pointer. So we want to move the head pointer from this commit to the commit before. So we type head tilde 1. Now, what is the hard option? Well, let's say we have two commits in our repository, A and B is the last commit because head is pointing to it. Now look at our working directory and the staging area. In both these areas, we have the same code that we have in our last snapshot, that is B. Now if we reset the head using the soft option, Git will simply move the head pointer to the target location. But it's not going to touch our staging area and the working directory. Now what is this state? This is the state before we committed B. So we have some changes in our working directory and the staging area, but we haven't committed these changes yet. So this is the effect of the soft option. Now if we use the mixed option, Git will take the latest snapshot, that is A, and put it in our staging area. What is this state? This is the state before we staged our new changes. So we have some new changes in our working directory, but we haven't staged those changes yet. This is the effect of the mixed option. Now if we use the hard option, Git will take the latest snapshot and put it in our working directory as well. Well, more accurately, it will put it in both our working directory as well as the staging area. So our new changes in our working directory are gone. So let me show you a simple way to understand and memorize the difference between these options. If we use the soft option, Git will only remove the commit, but it's not going to touch our staging area and the working directory. So we're going to have some changes in the staging area ready to be committed. If we use the mixed option, we go one step back. So our changes in the staging area will be unstaged. So we'll have some local changes in our working directory. And if we use the hard option, we go even one more step back. So Git will discard our local changes. This is how I've memorized the difference between these options. So let's see this in action. Before resetting the head, let's look at the content of the latest commit. So git show head. In our last snapshot, we simply added the word test in this file, terms.txt. Now let's reset the head using the soft option. So our last commit is going to go, but this change is going to stay in the staging area. So git reset --soft head tilde 1. All right, look, we have some changes in our staging area. We can verify it by getting a short status. So we have a green M, which means we have some changes in terms.txt. Now we can compare the staging area with the latest snapshot using the diff command. We talked about this before. So git diff --cached. So here's the change in our staging area. Beautiful. Now if we use the mixed option, Git will unstage our changes. So before running git reset, let's look at our log one more time. All right, look, head is currently pointing to this commit. So our last commit is gone. Now let's type git reset --mixed head. Note that I'm using head and not head tilde 1 because I want to keep head where it is. It's pointing to this commit. So when we use the mixed option, Git will take the snapshot that head points to and put it in the staging area. So this is going to unstage our changes, okay? And by the way, mixed is the default option, so we don't have to type it. Look, Git has unstaged our changes. So let's run a short status. Now we have some changes in our working directory. We can compare our working directory with the staging area using the diff command. So git diff without any arguments. There you go. So here's the change in our working directory. Now if we use the hard option, we go even one more step back. So this local change will be gone. Git reset --hard head. Our local change is gone and we have a clean working directory.